Have you ever missed a message or a call because your phone screen stay off? Well, with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can make sure you never miss anything important without keeping the screen on all the time. Today, I will show you how to make the always on display appear only when you get a new notification. It's a smart way to stay in the loop and save battery at the same time. So here's how to do it. First, head to settings. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap always on display. Tap when to show. And then select for new notification. With this setting, whenever you get a new message, call or app alert, the always on display will turn on just long enough to let you know, and then it goes dark again. Using this feature means your phone only lights up when it needs to. It helps you stay focused, saves battery, and keeps you notified, all without constantly glowing on your desk or in your pocket. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.